Alright, Atlanta, club number 2. Alright, next stop, Amsterdam, Atlanta. Alright, we're in Schiphol. I've been here dozens of times, but I usually never pass through here. I always get off at the airport and go into Central.
Sorry, my bad. It's 20 because I got flashed yesterday. It's 20. It's 20 kilometers over whatever you see on the side. Yeah. So all the days that we are in sort of Dubai, the eastern side of UAE, you'll have 20 kilometers over.
What if I tell you there is a way to get a guaranteed cash bonus?
Are you serious?
Transfer your salary to Commercial Bank of Dubai and
Your destination is on the right.
So here are our motorcycles for the day. Of the week, really. We're gonna have them, they're ours to rent for unlimited use. There's my first motorcycle, 1200 GSA, in that graphite anthracite color. Very cool to see. We have T7s, 310s, there's a 6 days up there. R3, MT01. That twin design. And this is beautiful. I think this is the is this on a 450 rally? I'm just drawn to it. I'm drawn to this bike. I want to take it home with me. I love it. Good morning, everyone. It's Adam here. Yeah, this is the, even though I've lost a lot of weight, I'm still a little bit too heavy for the OEM suspension. And I've driven cars all around Europe, but never motorcycle in another country other than US and Canada. So here we are. Okay, what am I doing here exactly? Well, I'm here with, let's see, it's like 5 or 6 bikers, but I'm here with, I think, 28, it's either 14 or 28 different international BMW clubs. I feel like I live the best life. And there are, I'm gonna be distracted a little bit here, but I'm here with 28 different BMW clubs, the BMW International Council of Clubs. We're all here together for the international annual kind of session as a team. I am here as a delegate for the United States of America, along with the BMW RA. So I'm here for the MOA. It wasn't a pick straws thing. I was like 3rd pick, but I got picked by default. I was a 3rd choice, but the other 2 people are there's always a pre-tour in the host country, and the host country will organize a bunch of rides. And so I told Heather, it's 24 hours door to door to Dubai. I can go for 2 days. And she's like, no, you should go to the whole week-long thing. So we're here. So instead of all 28 people here for the pre-tour, there's only like a dozen of us here early. And the host country this year is UAE. And so we're going to be riding around Dubai and a little bit of Oman for the week. Right is the Burj Khalifa. See it behind the building there. We're passing through the city center at this moment. Still lots of construction here, and I'll be honest, Dubai was not on my bucket list of places to visit, but obviously it makes a ton of sense to come here. You would start here because you fly into the airport and then get the hell out of Dubai. Even the guys that are local that commute to work are like, yeah, it's a lot of traffic. It's not adventure riding. Okay, so with 3 bikes, 4, 5, 6 motorcycles, all 1250s and one 1300. And then we have 2 X5Ms. And then we have a couple of 4 Series convertibles as well. You see them over there in the distance. So now we are leaving Dubai. They said we're not going to stop for an hour and a half. We're just going to, we're behind schedule, but day one's always like this. We had to pick up rental cars, pick up rental bikes, get fuel, grab a bunch of water for folks, figure out logistics, download apps to our phones, like the parking app for paying for parking and stuff like that. So people had to, I pre-downloaded the TomTom Connect, or sorry, the BMW Connect TomTom maps for UAE and Oman. So yeah, just and I always print the rear because I have, you know, I have full cell phone service and I have offline maps. So I always tell people if someone gets left behind, I'll stay with them and then I can navigate them to our next spot. Look at that! Wow, gorgeous. Thing is huge. That's a big bird. Horse. So I'm noticing though that like, there's still individuals who like there are these little outcrops of like, it's weird. You'll see a couple of like trees, like a crop of trees beside the road. It's sand everywhere, but you'll see a crop of trees where I'm guessing there's a natural water source. And then you'll see in the middle like a handmade stone single hump camel right there. I've seen like 4 of them so far. That's my 4th time saying camel. When it starts to get unbearably hot, it's 90. It was like 97 degrees, 96 now. I see the mountains are coming into view, so we're gonna go over the mountains. And it's supposed to drop like 10 degrees Celsius when we get over the mountains. Well, it's gotten only slightly cooler. We've dropped a couple of degrees from our high, but we are about to climb this hill here. I think, are we going around? I think we're going around it? No, I think we're going up it. See that? That was fun. Oh, we got a tunnel. Got a tunnel. Let's see what I can. Whoa, look at that. It's like a castle. Ooh. It's a little bit cooler. It's 92 now. Certainly not what I was hoping for from a temperature. We're at like 400 meters now, elevation, and it's finally below 90. So we came from that direction over the mountains, or they threw them, the things of the tunnels. They put a lot of money into building this road for this one terrace in the park. Yeah, I never would have thought to go to UAE for a motorcycle tour. And that's why travel is so great. You get to see stuff you never would have encountered or thought to encounter. I think we're having lunch up here. 580 meters! Holy shit! Wow! So we've stopped here. This view. Wow. And the ocean is over there. You just can't really see it that well. All right, lunch was good. I had this massive, I took a video clip of it. I had this massive, like, shank of lamb and way too much rice. It was a huge meal. And then I really needed that double espresso that we had. I'm not even gonna need any engine braking or engine at all on this downward slope we're on. I'm just playing around here on the dirt. Playing on the dirt while they go in circles. We're waiting for the cars. Then we're going to this dam next. Al Rafisa Dam. Little town. I saw Dhabi. That sound familiar? I don't know. All the cool little shops though. I'd like to like park the bike and just walk around. Not actually shop, but just window shop. Fried dumplings. We have hit 100 degrees. Ooh, you feel it too. There's a bunch of 4 Series cars behind us with their convertibles up, and you know they've let the AC just blasting. Oh, I want to play in the sand so badly. Dad, can I play in the sand? It's not even sand, it's just rock. I want to ride on those roads. Hello. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the BMWs pulling out, the car club. I'm bringing up the rear for the motorcycles for everyone preparing. R1250 is nice though. I'm enjoying the this color. I like mine more, but I'm enjoying the color a lot. And golden hour starts in about half an hour, so we're reaching the point of the best photography of the day. You all know me. You know how much I like these 360 camera shots. So yeah, just hitting at roundabouts and riding around. Since I had to do it, I should mount it to the bike, which I couldn't because it was a rental. But this is the eastern side of the peninsula, and we just finished getting coffee, and we were heading back towards Dubai at this point. But yeah, like I wish I could find a way to integrate the camera better, but it works fine for interesting shots to break up the monotony of GoPro camera angles. I thought day one was great, by the way. We, I think I said it earlier in the day, but it's a new country, and it was really helpful just to get acclimated to the driving style on these roads. And
how traffic moves and flows, and just get used to the bike too. I know I have a GSA, but this one's not sorted like mine, so yeah, it was a very easygoing day. Lots of highway touring, and nothing, no challenges. But I'm okay with that. Day 2 was a lot more fun, and then day 3 more fun, and day 4 just was my favorite day. So yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. First day in the UAE, and it was what a special, magical country. I'll talk more about that in the wrap-up video I post in a couple of days with all the photos. I think 360 cameras are going to be fun. Dangerous, but fun to hold it like this.